I am working at Snowflake. Snowflake is the data cloud. So we are really trying to eliminate all data silos within an organization. And then we're trying to build AI applications on top of that. And AWS is helping us with the right infrastructure and as a cloud service provider. So actually we have multiple solutions, but the most interesting one I would say is the AI solution, which is based on machines and robots where people are having issues with and then trying to get an answer as fast as possible. And for exactly that case, we have an already built AI flow and AI application, which we used at a lot of different customers, but now showcasing here as a general solution where people can see it, feel it, and maybe also apply it for their own problems. So our solution is basically a chatbot, which includes all the internal, but also external data to provide an answer to the question as easy and fast as possible. We are trying to bring answers to the customer's questions as fast as possible, doesn't matter how complex they are. So our chatbot is completely relying on the AWS platform, and under the hood we're using Amazon Bedrock. So Siemens Energy is actually already using this chatbot, leveraging all of the data that they already have in place, together with all the public data which comes in mind, and then trying to find the answer as fast as possible. AWS and Snowflake has the same ultimate goal. We want to make our customers successful. And for that, it doesn't matter if I work with Snowflake's internal or with AWS colleagues together. We all work really as one team and trying to achieve that ultimate goal.